Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSA. So today this short video here, just want to go through two counters, okay, as requested by our members. So this is first we got Samchem and later I'll go to MSC. Okay, so if you got any stock that you want me to look into, okay, please comment in the video below. So in the upcoming video, I will include the stock in the review as well. Okay, so let's first of all let's look into Samchem. So of course we got a reversal, okay, a very good reversal. So again, volume is very important for us. So every time when a stocks, okay, try to break a certain resistance or support, very important for us to look into volume. Like for example here, high volume always, okay, representing a good signals that someone is keen and is showing that they're genuine to make some reversal. Of course, in the case that Samchem actually a bit tricky because this is come together with a UT. Okay, so this is like a combination of a good bar and a weakness bar because there's a sellers coming in immediately. Okay, I think because of the resistance, okay, around here is like actually is too close. Okay, now what happened if, let's say for example in this case here, we want to look further information from the hourly chart. Of course, hourly chart, it doesn't turn to green pentagon because of the widespread bar. Okay, again for members that if you already attend the masterclass, okay, I think you can actually apply the pullback methods. Okay, so this is the upshots here, so they pull back, okay, stay above the gaps. Okay, so this is again a sign to tell us that okay, the support is still pretty good. So here we got a small gap, so hopefully this gap actually will hold. Okay, yep, morning also come with uptrust actually, so maybe it would be like sideways for a while, but overall I think is still making a nice reversal. Okay, no confirmation or uptrust, okay, on the first bar here. Okay, so everything for me is still in a healthy reversal setup, okay, for some jump. Okay, so if not, you can look into the weekly time frame. Okay, so actually weekly time frame tells you the story of in the bigger picture long term. Okay, long term why actually they are still in uptrend, of course. Okay, so haven't really break below 2040s, maybe we'll sideways for a while before cross the current resistance. Okay, so now next let's go to MSC. Okay, MSC also building around of MS simulation. Okay, so this is also building a long period of reaccumulation. Of course, now currently we are looking into is weekly chart. Okay, again, information from volume here. We got some high volume, okay, widespread, so fail to go above, so make a big drop but generally low volume. And if you realize for the past 2 or 3 weeks ago, the volume started to pick up on the up bar. Okay, so again, showing that strong interest from someone. Okay, they're trying to build this round of reaccumulation. So usually this kind of reaccumulation a bit similar like KGB, all this kind of counters. Okay, it got to take time. Okay, because like Tasco as well. Okay, if you're following Tasco, so you're gonna take time. Okay, before you're able to make the follow through. Okay, maybe here you will like sideways for several months. Okay, before they breaks up. Okay, again a good example will be CMB. Okay, CMB also takes like few months, I think more than 6 months, okay, for them to cross the resistance. Okay, so MSC previously pre-trending. Okay, so that's why they need to make a big reaccumulations over here. Okay, so overall there's no major weakness. Okay, of course some sideways is expected. Okay, so there's a quick one for MSC and Samchem. Okay, so if you want me to include some of the stock again, they're forming a good setup, similar setup. Okay, do comment below in the videos. Okay, so for the upcoming video, I will include the stock as well. Okay, so I will see you in the next video.